Google just dropped some absolutely massive updates to its AI, and trust me, they're going to change everything from how we search, shop, to how we learn. So let's break down what you really need to know. It is my great pleasure to welcome you to the world of learning new concepts and current trends, so let's start. Okay, the biggest headline here, Google Search can now tap into your personal Gmail and photos. And that raises a huge question, right? How is this going to completely change the way we use the internet? Let's dive in. All right, first up, Google's AI is getting personal, like really personal. We're talking about search using your own private data to give you answers that are actually relevant to your life. So what exactly went down? Well, Google launched a new feature they're calling personal intelligence. Now, it's opt-in, so you have to agree to it, and it's for folks with AI Pro and Ultra subscriptions in the US. It lets AI search use information from your Gmail and Google Photos, and it's all powered by their latest Gemini 3i model, which is designed to be super fast for these kinds of complex real-time jobs. And you gotta understand, this is a fundamental shift. Search is no longer just about finding information out there on the web. It's now about using the context of your own life to help you. So think of it less as a search engine and more like a true personal assistant that actually knows you. Let me give you a real-world example. Say you search "Plan my weekend." Instead of just getting generic suggestions, the AI could see your flight booking in Gmail, notice you've taken photos at a bunch of cool restaurants, and then create a personalized itinerary just for you. So what's the verdict? This is absolutely real. It's a powerful new capability for sure, but, and this is a big but, it's also a significant risk. I mean, as AI gets this personal, we have to be way more vigilant about our privacy and who controls our data. And that kind of personalization isn't just for planning your life. It's also changing how you buy things. Next up, AI is basically becoming a storefront. Google is integrating shopping directly into its AI, taking you from search to checkout in one seamless experience. So what's changing here? Well, Google is adding Buy Now buttons directly into its Gemini and AI search results. You'll be able to find and purchase products without ever leaving the chat interface. This means the path to purchase is getting way shorter. The old way involved searching, then going to a retailer's site, adding to your cart, and finally checking out. The new way? You just ask the AI and you click Buy Now. It's that simple. Let's walk through a real-world example. Buying a gift. You ask Gemini to find a gift for a coffee lover under $50. It'll show you options from different retailers, each with a Buy Now button. You just pick one and complete the purchase right there. This whole seamless experience is powered by a new open standard called the Universal Commerce Protocol, which basically connects retailers directly to the AI. It could be a real game changer for businesses of all sizes. My verdict? This is undeniably a real shift for e-commerce. AI is no longer just for research. It's now a full-fledged digital storefront. Okay, so Google's AI is in your personal life, it's in your shopping cart, and for our final update, it's heading to college. They've just announced a major partnership with the University of Oxford to bring AI tools to students and faculty. Here are the details. Oxford is giving every single student and staff member access to Google's Gemini for Education and NotebookLM, and that includes the Pro licenses for all the advanced features. So what does this actually mean? It means AI is becoming a powerful research assistant. Instead of spending hours on manual research and note-taking, students can now use tools like Deep Research to help them create research plans, find sources, and pull it all together, complete with citations. And this isn't just a concept, A pilot program at Oxford showed some pretty staggering results. 85% of users reported being more productive with these tools. That is a huge real-world endorsement. The verdict here is crystal clear. This is as real as it gets. It's a tangible application of AI that has already proven its value in education. So, let's zoom out for a minute. What do these updates in personal search, shopping, and education tell us about Google's overall AI strategy? Well, looking at our verdicts, a clear pattern emerges. Personal search is real, but it also carries risk. AI shopping is real. AI in education is real. What we're seeing is Google systematically weaving its AI into every corner of our digital lives. And that leaves us with a crucial question. As AI gets more and more integrated into our personal lives, our shopping habits, and our education, where do you draw the line between what's helpful and what's intrusive? Something to think about. Future Explained brings you the latest AI, technology, and science updates. explained simply. In every episode, what happened, why it matters, and a real example, no hype. Subscribe for shorts plus deep explanations. So if you want to stay up to date with the future without getting lost in hype, subscribe to Future Explained and comment below, what should I explain first, AI, technology, or science?